Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make a delicious grilled chicken stew. A very simple recipe full of flavor, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Give me a thumbs up and share as well, and be part of this channel. So now let's get started. So to a saucepan, I'll add this nicely cleaned chicken. So I'm using soft chicken and I have removed the skin off. Next, I'm going to add some blended ginger, garlic, onions, sage, rosemary and thyme paste or mixture. And this freshly blended herbs are full of flavor and it smells so good. So to it, I'm adding chicken stock seasoning, vegetable seasoning, and some cayenne pepper. I'll give it a quick stir, cover and let it steam for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's well done. So at this point, the chicken is nicely cooked. So I'll go ahead and transfer them on a baking tray. So I'm going to go ahead and grill it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and golden. Now let's go ahead and make the stew. So in the saucepan, I've heated oil, and to it I've added some bay leaf to infuse the oil. Next, I'll go ahead and add the remaining onion mixture. I'll give it a stir and I'll allow it to stay for about 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and add some oregano leaves, coriander and cumin powder, and also some paprika powder and chilli powder. I'll continue by adding some tomato puree or tomato paste. I'll give it a stir and I will allow it to simmer on a low heat for about 5 minutes. At this point, I'll go ahead and add some fresh blended tomatoes. I'll give it a stir and I'll also add the chicken stock. And once it's added, I'll continue to stir it until it's well combined. And I'll cover and allow it to simmer on a low heat for another 5 to 10 minutes. And if you have watched until this far, thank you all so much for watching. So continue to watch until the end. So at this point, the stew is well cooked. Next, I'll add some curry powder. And at this point, our chicken is well done and looking beautiful and golden. So I'll now go ahead and add it to the stew. I will stir it nicely to combine and allow it to simmer on a low heat. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and scoop some of the oil out, which is not needed. You can use this oil to make gari futo, so there's no need to throw it out. And at this point, our grilled chicken stew is well done, tasting delicious and smelling so good, and it's also full of flavor. Next, I'll go ahead and add some onions, green capsicum, and some carrots for crunchiness. So our delicious grilled chicken stew is all done at this point, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. You can have this with your plain rice or yam. And kindly subscribe, like and share, and also comment down below if you like this recipe, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye and have a blessed week.